Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Terry in Michigan on the RCI-2995dxHP. Terry got it ready to go for you, bud. High cut filter as well as amp on off switch right there on the back for you as you ordered. We went in and unlocked the clarifier per your order and did our tune alignment to Toshiba voltage regulator. Now, I know you guys watched enough of my videos, you already know what you're going to see, but we're going to show it again. 250 watt slug, arc power all the way down, 5 watts. Roll it up. There you go, 60 watts. Average power swing, low, 120, 125, 500 watt slug and peak. Hello, 250 watts. Alright, another 2995 DXHP going out the door. The weekend's just around the corner. Hope everybody has a good one, and I appreciate you watching. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.